Hey, Mark from Van Compass here, showing you another new product for our legendary Tug Step that we put on the back of these vans that bolt to your factory hitch. They have a nice recovery point, nice step. Now we have this Ultradeck made neoprene stick-on sticker like you would put on the back of a wakeboarding boat. Nice on your feet, gives you good traction, also weather resistant. Okay, so it's all taped on down the line here. I kind of stopped right here, and that's holding it in place. I'm gonna just start peeling it and then getting this stuck where I want it. So now this will hold it as I slowly kind of peel back my tape and peel back this sticker. Get this thing laid down here. And I did clean the step with rubbing alcohol to really give it a nice clean surface to adhere to. Slowly work this thing down. Now that I've got it halfway, I could probably just pull off the rest of my tape for the most part. Finish this. Just like that.